For over 20 years, Manrega has been India's backbone when it comes to rural support. It has guaranteed work, protected incomes during crisis, and helped millions survive droughts, lockdowns, and even economic shocks. However, one particular question remains unanswered. If so many people are working under Manrega, why has rural productivity not improved? Why do unemployment, migration, and distress continue year after year? The answer lies in how rural employment actually functions. When the rural economy slows down, when farms struggle, when prices fall, or private jobs even disappear, people turn to Manrega. Participation rises not because things are getting better, but because they're getting worse. In other words, Manrega responds to distress. It does not create structural employment. It does not create economic momentum of its own. What truly reduces unemployment is something else: local economic activity. When villages see demand through agriculture, construction, small industries, or services, jobs increase organically, naturally. Wages rise, informal work expands, and services, as well as fewer people in general, need public employment. This contrast becomes clearer and clearer on the ground. In places where Manrega stands alone, it often becomes a cycle of survival: short-term work, low skills, and repeated dependence. But in places where public work is linked to skills, assets, and local enterprises, it becomes a stepping stone. People move into better jobs, start businesses, and migrate by choice, not just distress. The lesson is simple yet powerful. Safety nets are essential, but they are not really enough. To unlock rural prosperity, employment guarantees have to connect with skills, productivity, as well as enterprises. Relief must turn into resilience. Only then can rural India move from coping with poverty to creating an opportunity. There are two classic examples of two districts, one Palamu in Jharkhand and the other is Dindigul in Tamil Nadu. Both have had a significant section of people working under Manrega, but have had very, very different experiences. If you want to understand this paradox deeply, I've broken down this issue in my latest research article titled The Productivity Paradox of Manrega in CRF India. Check it out.